Welcome to this video where we will look at the problem of using two transformers to save energy instead of one to share the load. How to save energy with two transformers than one. We will try to find the point where two transformers is better than one to save energy. And why is this? This is because the price of energy has gone up and therefore it's relevant to go and look on it. Remark, the two transformers has to be equal. Let's look. P0 has to be non-load losses and Pk is load losses, and M is the how depending of the load. P total is of course the non-load, and then you have to add M squared multiplied with the Pk as load losses. For two transformer you have to put in of course 2, but then you have, because they share the load, you have to put m half and then it have to square it. So let's look at an example where we have P0 to 50 watt and Pk to 500 watt. We draw it up in this in GeoGebra. We have tried to draw it. So we see for the one transformer we go up and have this parable, and we draw also for the two transformers. And now we can see there's a cross point. And for this transformer, the cross point is 45%. That would say if we go higher in load, we can see the different here on this y-axis. We can see how much what we are using, and we can see here we have the different. And of course, it's a small transformer, so but it's only the principle. Let's try to solve it. So we have to calculate for every transformer. So let's put up this equation and let's solve it. So we have for one transformer on left side and for two transformer on the second side. So we go in and solve this equation, and it's a very simple equation, of course, but never mind that. So we go in and isolate on this where we have our and that is done very simple. First we have the squares and we put it on, and we put P0 here over, and so it's very simple. And we get without to solve that M, the point where the load must be, it's square root 2 multiplied with the square root of P0 Pk. This equation, of course, we know because this is where the best transformer. So this we know in because we know a little about how to find the point. But this is very funny to see. It's the same, just you have to multiply with square root 2. So we check it in the formula and see, okay, it works good. Let's go on and say another example where we go up to a more relevant transformer. Here's the 800 kVA transformer. Have the P0 585 watt, and of course I've forgotten to write in watt, but it's we know that, and 6,000. We can see at this point the load has to be 44.2 load. After we go higher up in this, there will be better to use two transformer than one transformer. And if really you go to get further, because there's money in this, it's not cheap just to have two transformer running than one. But you have to save energy, so you have to put in investment to buy two transformers. So you have to put in how to calculate this. You have the energy running per daily with 24 hours. And then you have to maybe calculate over 30 years, because you have to run every day in this. So in this way you can calculate, and for two, and you can also put in, of course, you can where we have make the drawings, but this is the way to go in for the calculation of this. So I hope this was good for you, and this is, we could say, the end of this small video. Yeah, but This is of course for the power supply people who want to calculate this. So goodbye and good luck.